Hello, beautiful people. I hope everybody is doing good and great. Can you guys just look at the length of my nails? You guys will not believe that it was the video I recorded 1.5 months ago, but I was feeling very bad because I was going to take something very serious kind of initiative of my life. You know, when I am just editing this video, I was not believing that I did that. I cut all of my nails, and literally you guys can see my hands were trembling because I am in so love with the long nails, but I had to cut them due to some reasons. So maybe you guys will ask that these nails are like they are too big, they're too long. How much time have I taken to grow these nails? It took me almost 3 months to grow these nails to this length. And you know, there's a problem with my one nail. I'll show you guys. Like it always, this one that I'm cutting now, it always grows like in some strange position, like it's not straight all the time. And if I try to just touch it or try to mold it, but it like causes pain to my fingers. I don't know what is the issue with that, but all the time this grows in a like different kind of position. This as well, you guys can see that two nails of my two fingers, they grow in an awkward direction, I must say that. So it took me 3 months to to grow these nails, and finally I cut all of them, and I am gonna collect the leftover there and I'm gonna throw it in the dustbin. You know why did I cut all my nails? There are 2 to 3 main reasons behind that. Firstly, the top priority was that, like, I am a Muslim and I offer prayer. I read Holy Quran, and in order to touch the holy book, my hands needs to be clean. So there are some of the old glimpses of like my get together with my friends. Once we went outside to eat some pizza. So one of my friend, she just said that your nails are very pretty, let me apply some nail polish on that. So she applied some nail paint on my nails. I was just missing that day, so I added a beautiful clip in between this video. So guys, I was telling that I have to read the holy book, the Holy Quran, that is the holy book of Muslims. I had to read it on daily basis, and for that thing I had to like my nails need to be clean and need to be very good in condition. So if I grow nails and they were grown too much, so obviously it becomes a bit difficult to keep the nails neat and clean. Although you guys can see like my nails were very white, and I took a lot of care of my nails, and I all the time I spent a lot of time in washroom, but still my heart was not satisfied. That if I have to pray, if I have to go to the bathroom, so if I have to read the holy book, I was thinking that obviously the dirt or the debris or the litter, sometimes it gets stuck in the bottom of your nails, and sometimes it becomes difficult to remove it. So for that reason, because I want to touch my book, holy book, so I cut the nail. Secondly, the second main reason was that one of my doctor friends, she just told me that when you grow your nails more than the average limit, you get a lot of problems, especially the issues of the cleanliness, the hygienic issue. You get a lot of problem because with these hands and these nails you eat, so the germs or the like the dirt, indirectly or directly, they get involved into the meal you eat. And sometimes we suck the fingers while eating. When we are tasting the not the fingers, but when we are tasting some food, sometimes we just use the finger in or mouth as well. So all these things, like the fingers or the nails, they are in contact with my mouth, with my with my lips, with my face, and I eat food with my hands. So all of these reasons, they force me to cut the nails, and I took the decision and I just cut the nails. And the third most important thing was that there was a baby at my home, because of this thing I had to cut the nail, because maybe unconsciously I could harm the baby, because big nails, they are a problem. Like you can hurt someone, you can hurt your own self as well, because my nails were very sharp, so I had to cut it. So sometimes you do a thing that you like to do, and that you have spent a lot of time on something that you like a lot. And if it comes to fashion, girls are very crazy for fashion, and my nails, I grew them just for the sake of fashion, and I like big nails, but I cut them for some XYZ reasons that I have told in the video. Sometimes it's better to sacrifice some of your favorite hobby, some of your favorite doing, some of your favorite act. It's not a big deal in this, as I was like pretending to be sad, but a bit I was sad, yes, definitely, because I loved my nails too much. And many of my friends, they also said that your nails look very pretty, but it's all right, I did it for the sake of God, and God is gonna give me the reward. But later on, like the holy month of Ramadan, the holy month of Muslims, it's approaching. After that month, maybe I will grow the nails again. But guys, it takes a lot of effort to clean the nails, to keep them shiny. Like their safety or their cleanliness took me a lot of time, and I was fed up of that. So if you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. The courage that I have shown. If you are not going to subscribe the video, it will hurt me a bit, so subscribe.